Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing great at your home. So, I'm back with your English reasoning class for class 3rd, and the topic we are discussing today is series. So, let's begin with the meaning of series. What is series? What do you understand by series? A series is a continuous sequence of numbers, letters, or words obtained by some specific rules. It means when a series of sequence of numbers or pattern of numbers or any letters or words obtained by some specific rules to get something logical, answer, that is series. So let's begin with our questions. So students, before starting our topic with the series, you need to understand, you need to learn the order number of serials. For example, A is equals to 1, B comes in second position, C comes in third position. Like this, you have to learn the order of the alphabet till 26. So let's begin our first question. Complete the series by encircling the correct answers. Students, we are given here some pattern of alphabet. We have to just see what is the pattern. A, B, C, D. So when A, B, C, D is given, what comes next is E. Then come to second letter, C, D, E, F. After F, G will come. So if E, G is given in the option, you have to circle it. Many of the options from E will be given in the option, but you have to take the correct one. Now come to second one. Now come to second part. A, Z, G, T, M, N, dash, Y, B. We have to fill the missing alphabet. What we do when we do not understand the series or a pattern is given, we do not understand what they are saying, what we have to do is we have to put the order number or the serial number we have learnt of alphabet. For example, A stands for 1 and then there is a gap of 6 in G. Gap of 6 between A and G. Then there is a gap of 6 between G and M. 6 का गैप है इनके बीच, इन अल्फ़ाबेट्स के बीच में. A and G, G and M. You can count it on your fingers. A stands for 1, then B, C, D, E, F, G. G comes here. There's a gap between A and G of 6. Then 6 gap, after 6 numbers, M comes. Then what will come? When this pattern will come like this, gap of 6 will go like this. For example, M, then what comes after 6 numbers? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So S, because S will come after the gap of 6. Then what we see is second letter, we have got the first letter. Second letter is not in the same series in order wise. We have to see the reverse from B. So B and then gap of 6, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So only one option is given from S. We can recognize easily that if it is starting from S, so it comes here. But for the surety, we have see the second letter also. So this second letter also has a gap of 6. So we will write here SH. I hope you all understood. Now students, come to third part where G, H, J, L and Q fill in the missing alphabet, and then Y, D, F, L is given. We have to find out the missing alphabet here. So what we have to do is we have to see the pattern. First letter G, J, N, Y and F is given. We have to see the difference. Like we cannot see the pattern. Like G, H, I, J. Two alphabets difference is here. G and two alphabets are missing between first letter of these two series. G, then H, I is missing, and then J. K, L, M. Three letters are missing in this. Then O, P, Q, R. O, P, Q, R means 4. Because the series is going like 2, 3, 4. So obviously what will come here? After the gap of 4, S will come here. Because after N, if we make a gap, N, O, P, Q, R. Gap of 4 is there, then S will come. Then gap of 5. Because the series is going like this. The pattern is going like the gap of 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then after S, we have to make a gap of 5. S, T, U, V, W, X. So then Y comes. Then gap of 6. Then again the alphabet starts after Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, and then F comes after the gap of 6. I hope you understood. Then we come to second letter. However, the option from S is only given only one. So we easily can recognize this, that this is the answer. But then for making it sure, we see the second letter H, L, Q, D, L. So we have to make the difference. What is the difference between H and L? H, I, J, K. Like in second letter, there is a difference of 3. H, I, J, K and then L. Then L and Q. How many differences here? L, M, N, O, P. Difference of 4. Then 5. Difference of 5 should be here. Then what will be there? Q, R, S, T, U, V. Then W comes here. So this way we have to go. Now come to fourth part. Here A, Z, C, X, fill in the blanks, J, Q is given. Then now we have to find out the numbers of these alphabets. A stands for 1 number, then C comes on 3rd number and J comes on 10th number. अगर हम यहाँ पर ट्रिक लगाएं, so gap of 1 is there between 1 and 3. For example, A is here, B is missing, then C is given. And if we continue the series, D will be missing and then E. Means number 5 will be there. But when number 5 will be there, अगर यहाँ number 5 आता है तो number 10 कैसे आ सकता है यहाँ पे? So ये series नहीं बनेगी. It will not work out. हमें दोबारा देखना होगा. We have to find out again that which series will it take. Now if we see here, number 1 is given, gap of number 1 is missing here, then maybe number 2 will be missing here. Then C is here. Then gap of 2 comes at the alphabet of D, E, F. Sorry, 6 number will be there, so F. And then when number 1 missing, number 2 missing, now number 3. 6 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, after like 3 numbers are missing, then 10 number will be there. So this trick will work out as number 1 is missing here between A and C. Then number 2 are missing. Number 2 are missing between C and F. F will come here, which stands with number 6. Then gap of 3. Gap of 3 will be there. 7, 8, 9 and number 10 will be there. So gap of 3 will be here. Now to make it sure, what we will do, हम दूसरा नंबर देखते हैं. Z is given here, X and then Q. So what we have to do is we have to make it reverse, like we have done here. Q, R, S, T, U, gap of number 2. So F, U will be here. So this is given in our options. We have find out our answer. There will be a gap of 3 between Q and U. So U will be here. And then gap of 2 and then gap of 1. So this way we have to think about it and then go with the series. Students, come to number 5. Here B, M, X, D and W, H, P, U is given. First we have to start with the first letter B. Then gap of C and D is here. Then gap of E is here. Then what will come here? F. And then gap of G and H is here. Okay. Now come to second letter. M is given here. M. N. No gap between the letters. So M, N, O. And P will be there because there is no gap between the alphabets. Now to make it sure, we'll have to see the third letter. X, W, U, and it is going in reverse now. U, V, W, X. I hope you all understood the series of the alphabets. Now come to sixth part, where B, Z, A, F, X, E, H, W, G is given. We have to see the first letter of these alphabets. B is given, F and H. As we can see, there is no gap between F. Okay, there is a gap of 1 only in between F, G, H. Means G is missing here between F and H. So that way, what will happen here? B, then C will be missed here, 1 number gap, and then D will come here. Then we look to second letter, Z, X, W is given. As we all can easily find out that it is going in reverse. So we have to start with here, W, X, Y and Z. It is coming in series now. And then A is going in forward direction. It is going in series. A is given. After A, E and G. then there will be a gap of 1 between E and G. F is missing, so we have to miss here also one alphabet. A, B will be missed, and then C. So our answer will be D, Y, C, which is here in the option given. Understood everyone? This way we have to go with the series. Now come to 7th part, where F, A, H, C, I, D, J, E is given. We have to find out the first letter. First letter will begin with first letter, that is F, H, I, J. That means it is going in series of alphabet. So F, after F, G will come here, and then A, C, D, E. It is also going in series. So obviously after A, B will come here. A, B, C, D, E. We just have to stop and think that which trick we have to use here. We just have to think about it, and then we will solve this answer very easily. To last and 8th part, where W, H, T, J, Q, L, N, N is given, where W, T, Q, N. As we can see that it is not going in series from the forward direction, it is going in backward series. For example, N, O, P. So there is a gap of 2, and then Q is here. N, O, P, and then Q. After Q, R, S. Then there will be a gap of 2, because first letters are these. We have to first see the first letters. So after Q, R, S, then T will be here. So there will also be a gap of 2. Then it means it is going just like the series of missing 2 numbers, 2 alphabets. So after T, U, V. Then again missing of 2 alphabets, then W will come here. Likewise, we have to miss here 2 letters, and then we have to write down. It means K. K will come here, because K comes after like before N, two numbers before N. So K, L, M we have missed here. L, M, 2 numbers, and then N will be here. So K comes here, and then we have to see the second letter. H, I is missing, J, Q is missing, sorry, K is missing, L, M is missing, N, O is missing, P. So here the answer is given here, KP. So students, it is homework time now. I'll be giving you the series to complete. This way you have to complete the series which I will be giving you in homework. It is initially you will feel a little bit difficult, but when you try to do it gradually, it will be very easy for you. You'll start enjoying it, and you'll start doing the series. So students, this is it for this class. I hope you like the topic and you will enjoy it. Bye bye for now.